Oh no, it can't.
What?
It's recording. I'm so sorry.
That ain't even funny. That ain't even funny. You know what? You know what? Oh well, I did it.
I know.
Oh,
Tell me who you challenged.
You should have. You should have done it.
This was Danny's ALS challenge.
I guess what you need to do is do it for me now.
His ALS challenge. I'm sorry.
What? I guess you need to do another
Sorry,
challenge.
I've already done it.
Oh well, hey, I did it. I can't help it.
Dano, that was your challenge for you and your scholarship buddy.
That's a waste.
It was to Amy Wilson and to